We survived. That was honestly such a crazy, bumpy ride. All night, this thing, I thought we were gonna pop off the tracks. And I realized when you go to the bathroom, the toilet just goes directly to the tracks. So that means these tracks are just full of piss and doo-doo. These are the doo-doo, this is the doo-doo track train. You know what doo-doo is?
No.
It's poop. Poo-poo.
Yeah, you're right.
What do you call it in Turkish?
Bok.
Bok? This is the Bok train. My name is Dakota and this is my friend Ramazan, and we are on a journey across India. And right now we are on a train arriving in Orissa. So make sure to watch the last episode so you know what's going on, and subscribe for the next one. Let's see how the train ride went, and let's see Orissa. This is the first class Doodoo Express.
And if you want to make like a, you know, more soft kaka.
Yeah, kaka, that's a universal one.
Yeah, and the kaka train.
The kaka train. I can't believe it. That just means, I mean, I guess I can't believe it. There's...
And the smell, it was so bad yesterday.
Yeah, it was bad last night. It was bad.
In a minute you smell food, and after a second you smell shit.
Yeah, I know.
Like when they get mixed, it get crazy.
I know.
It was funny.
And they knock on the door too much.
Yeah. They like, even if you didn't want anything, you just close everything, and they say like, "Sir, do you want a chai? Sir, do you want coffee? No. Sir, do you want an underwear?" They try to sell you everything. It's funny. And the guy, he just come. He just give us like, I think, one blanket.
Yeah, give us one blanket and then wanted money.
And he said like tips. It was funny.
I didn't get any sleep. No sleep.
Right.
What's up?
2 kilometers.
Yeah, it's okay. We're looking on our phone.
Oh, sir, give me your tips, please.
No. No. Why?
Your services.
But what service?
We never any service, we just sleep.
Do you need something?
Look, Puri Jagannath.
Yeah. You want cookie? You're welcome.
Hello.
Want to sit?
This is the only time we've ever seen him,
Yeah.
is when he asked for a tip. He never
We
even...
just give this. Let's go faster to this guy.
Okay, Odisha, we made it. Wow, this is my first time here in Odisha. Jagannath place. The Lord of the Universe. I'm really excited to see Puri and all the other stuff here. Let's see if we can make it out of this place. Which way do we go? Hello. Oh, the battery's gonna die. Bhubaneswar. Yes. Okay, so we're leaving Bhubaneswar and going to Puri. And we're gonna take you along the journey and show you all the interesting little places that we stop at along the way. First stop is Papil. Do you know anything about Pipil? What is it? Pipil is one artist place, right? Art
Temple.
temple.
Yes.
Pipil, from what I've read, is like a little artist town. They make like very interesting cloth art of devotional pieces of Lord Jagannath, the Lord of the universe. And that's all I know about it. We're gonna go check it out and see if it's cool. Ramazan's back there. And yep, feels good. The 45-degree weather is melting us and couldn't feel more alive. How do you feel, Ramazan?
Yeah, when I'm inside the car, the air conditioning is open, it's good. But when you get out, it's hot. Really hot.
How do you feel, Aditya? You feel good?
Yes.
You have a girlfriend? No? No girlfriend?
I had girl.
You hate girls?
Yes.
I hate girls too.
You like boys?
You like boys?
All have a friend I like, but no.
No
relation.
boyfriend. You like boyfriend?
No boyfriend.
Only normal friend.
But he like boyfriend.
Yeah, I like boyfriend. I like boys. We made it to the Pipil market. So these are the kind of crafts I was talking about. They make like these cloths with these really beautiful patterns on them.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Brother. Okay, how do we pick which one to go to? Ramazan, I don't know where Ramazan's going. I'm following him. Let's check out some of the stores.
Yeah.
Hello. Look. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you, coming. Take your shoes here.
Huh?
Take your shoes here.
It's okay. You're making?
Yeah.
You're artist.
Have a look inside.
Hey, jinta dekhiyo kya dito dekhi.
What are you making?
Yeah, he's making it.
What are you making?
Yeah.
Oda kya guest din dekho. Take to ai zero toro. Tempista tiyo.
He's making like this.
Like this?
This lamp set.
Oh, they're nice.
You just put it here, lamp.
Hanging, you put a little light in there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
What about tala patar lamp dekhiyo transport. Tala patar lamp kali bhai ki kholi se bhejo banna karo. Wo dekhiyo.
Which country are you from?
From America?
America.
Yeah. What's this? Lamp?
This is lamp capsule also.
That was a nice one. How do you put it?
Palm leaf. Made of palm leaf.
Palm leaf.
Yeah.
How do you put the light in there?
Yeah. Just put here, wire put here, keep inside the bulb.
Ah. Jagannath. That's nice.
Ball touching.
How much is this?
350. That's like $4 or something.
It's looking very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
This is the
Oh, yeah, I see. He's shining the light. Yes.
small bulb.
Yeah.
Keep your bigger bulb.
Yeah. Look at all these little art pieces too. It's so cool.
Smaller here.
Can you tell me about Jagannath?
Yeah. This
What
is
is-
Lord Jagannath.
Who is Lord Jagannath?
Here. This is Jagannath. This is Balbhadra and Subhadra.
Matlab Jagannath.
Jagannath is Puri temple.
Yeah.
Puri temple is Lord Jagannath.
Yeah. What was the meaning?
We are saying this is Lord Jagannath.
Yeah. But why he looked like this? Why his face looked like that? It's
Actually,
different, huh?
Yeah, it's different.
How come?
Handless.
Huh?
Handless.
No arms.
No arms.
Why?
No hand, no hand.
Why? Do you know the story?
Big story. Big story. That is a
Big story.
This is also Jagannath. No hand.
No hands.
No arms.
Big eyes. Very cool. I like Jagannath.
Like Jagannath.
Yeah.
So take one. This or that. This one also. That one, the bigger one.
Yeah.
That a good looking.
I'll buy one of these.
Okay. How many pieces? Only one or more?
Do you have any like this? More?
Yeah.
With swastik.
Javier.
Swastik.
Javier, swastik roti dekha. Swastik roti dekha. Swastik roti dounu ko dekha.
What is the meaning of swastik?
The symbol of goodness.
Goodness.
Yeah, we see the goodness in the Second World War. We see the goodness.
In the Second World War?
Swastik dekha.
There's real goodness. They stand to people to the paradise. So just one. Oh, yeah.
I open it.
No, it's okay. They will figure out how to open. I hope.
You do 2 for 500?
Which one?
These two?
I will make it 600.
600?
Yeah.
I'd like 500. Come on.
No. I'll make
Come on, boss.
You can do it. I believe you.
I believe also you.
We live in Delhi actually, we are not tourists.
Okay.
500, okay? Thank you. See?
Which one you want to take?
I want Jagannath and Ganesh. Yeah.
And this one? How about this one? This is not Ganesh.
No, just these two for me. You gonna buy one for you?
No. Please enough.
ଶୁଣ 5 ଟଙ୍କାରେ ଦିଟା ଦଉଛି
You make these?
Yeah.
You're the artist?
Artisan. Who's artisan?
Artisan.
Your brother?
Yeah, of course.
What are these?
Your bag?
Of course. Houses.
Bag?
Wallet.
Wallet. 3 compartments is here.
For girl?
Oh, nice.
For girl?
For girl, for boy.
Boy
Boy,
is
Sub.
okay?
boy is okay.
Okay?
No problem, not at all.
Yeah,
You
it's
can use
okay.
it, no problem.
Then you can use it, bro.
Okay, just these two only.
Take this one.
No, it's okay. Only these two.
We don't have so much place in our bag. We just want to buy from you. You look like a nice person.
USA, which place? Which state? USA?
No, he's from USA,
USA
and I'm
which place?
he's Michigan, and I'm from Istanbul.
Istanbul.
Come on.
Thank you.
Deal is done, huh?
Deal is done. The most handsome man in Pipil.
Pipli.
Pipli, sorry.
Pipli.
Wrong name.
Pipli.
I hope you will have a more customer. He's famous in India.
This is famous in India.
Yeah, he is.
All over the world.
Yeah. Not
In,
Muslim. You are Hindu.
I'm Muslim.
My parents they are Muslim too.
Afghanistan, you are from? Turkey?
No, from Turkey.
Turkey.
I'm not Afghan.
You are Turkey. Turkey.
You?
I'm Muslim of here.
But here.
Yeah.
Nice, good.
Pipli. Erdogan.
Follow him.
Erdogan.
You like Erdogan?
You don't like?
He stole. He stole money. He's not a real Muslim.
Only $6 for those two lanterns. What else can we buy? This stuff's amazing, right? These lanterns?
Yeah, they're good.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
You have a nice system.
तो पाल पत्थर लेंगे कितना लिया
Pansol. Go.
दो का 500
Yeah.
मुझे ले रहा हूँ 450 में देना
No, it's okay. I already have two now.
This is Jagannath, this is 4 design, this is Ganpati, different design.
How much is that?
You check this,
No, I got Ganapati.
Ganpati,
Yeah, Ganapati.
But how much you said?
450.
452 piece. This is Jagannath. This is
No, I want one Jagannath
Jagannath.
like this type.
Okay,
Maybe how much are these ones?
okay, just to
Artist. Making. You.
yeah, yes.
Oh, it's nice. Sundar. Bahut sundar. That's nice, right?
Nice.
How much are they?
1250.
1250.
Yes. They all handwork.
All handwork.
It's all handwork. It's some three color.
Same. Same.
Yes. Different color.
Different colors.
So this is blue.
1250?
Color.
Yeah, I know. But I don't have that much money.
He doesn't have.
Okay.
We look and maybe we
Oh,
come
okay,
back.
800. 1800. Okay. This morning this part 50.
For each?
For both, I think.
8.
18. 1,800. No, maybe we come back. We look. Because this is the only first store we looked at.
We look, we come back. Where's
How
your
many
shoes?
piece? How many you pay? कितना देंगे last price?
We will come back. We will be back.
Hello, sir. सुनिए.
No, we look around, see.
Come.
That's okay.
You see how much it got down? It's crazy. But they're expensive, bro.
750. Yeah, see, look at that price difference. Big price difference. 500. 500. There's a huge price difference just in this store. This store next 1,500. 8 piece. Good price.
Not bad.
Like this one though. I like this one. Big juggernaut face.
Black big juggernaut face you want.
750. 750. Best price? Best price? 700. Oh shit! I left my bag. My little bag. Or you have it?
Yeah.
No, this bag with the thing in it.
What is in it?
Huh?
Oh, the plastic bag. In where?
I don't know.
Nice business. Good.
I'm just gonna look.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. It's okay, sir. Thank you.
700.
He's still bargaining. 700.
Like from 1,500
Down
to 700.
Oh, you have? Okay. Thank you, sir.
Have a good day. Yep.
Jai Jagannath. These are nice.
Yeah, they're nice.
I've been calling it PPO. That's the total wrong name. My bad.
Continue.
Oh, you want a water or anything?
Yeah.
So we didn't make it to Pori yet, but the journey is not over. Make sure to click subscribe so you can see the next video when we arrive to Pori, the home of Jagannath, this very unique deity that's really only found in this region. And yeah, I'm excited to show you the beauty of Orissa or Odisha. It's got a couple names, but anyways, come with me, subscribe.